Hey guys, so today we'll be doing a reaction to Chicken Huntin. This is the original from 1995 of the Ringmaster. Let's like it and let's hear it. By the way, if y'all can't see my face, I can't, or never mind. Just let it go. But enjoy.
Red ass chicken neck like yours, man.
Like mine?
Yeah,
Well, I'm
bitch!
headed down the southern trail. I'm going chicken hunting, chopping redneck chicken necks. I ain't saying nothing to the hillbilly. Stick my barrel in his eye. Boom shaka, hair chunks in the sky. Why? I never liked chicken pot pie or the chopped chicken on rye. So tell Mr. Billy Bob I'ma cut his neck up, slice, poke, chop, stab, cut.
What can you do with a drunken hillbilly?
Cut his fucking eyes out and feed him to his Aunt Nellie. Willy, chicken neck, chicken hunting, gotta love it. Hit him with a 12 gauge bucket. Chicken nuggets laid out all over the grass. Then his little hound dog will eat him up fast. Last as long as you can, my man. Cause when that chicken head hits the fan, you got blood, guts, fingers and toes. Blood, guts, fingers and toes. Blood, guts, fingers and toes. Sitting front row at the chicken show. So
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Got a motherfucking chicken now!
Right.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Got a motherfucking chicken now!
Right.
Let me get a chicken sandwich with manwich. I'm finna wreck on a chicken neck. Chopping up Hilly and Billy Bob Billy. Cause I chop motherfucking redneck silly. Peeped in your yard, tell me what did I see? I seen a chicken boy fucking his sheep. I say, Mister, what the fuck you tryna do? Barrels in your mouth, bullets in your head. The back of your neck's all over the shed. Boom, shaka boom, chop, bang. I'm too dope and it ain't no thing. To cut a chicken, triggers clicking. Blow up his head, but his feet still kicking. Last as long as you can, my man. Cause when that chicken head hits the fan, it's blood, guts, fingers and toes. Blood, guts, fingers and toes. Blood, guts, fingers and toes. Sitting front row at the chicken show. So who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Got a motherfucking chicken now!
Right.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Got a motherfucking chicken now!
Right.
The only reason that because nobody didn't like this song, but I like it. So this is my first song.
Went to Kentucky, I got lucky. Met this hog-calling bitch named Bucky. Riding on a chicken, milk in the south. Hitting switches in a drop-top, low-ride tractor brown.
Redneck fella, moonshot seller, hanging by his neck bone, chicken bones locked in the cellar. Yellow belly, chicken plucker. You redneck fucker. Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Who's going chicken hunting?
We's going chicken hunting.
Got a motherfucking chicken now!
Right.
With the best offers for Super Bowl.
Alright y'all, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. We're going to go to the other one, so see you later, bye.